Today is electric contact cleaning day, so taking that Mazda 3 apart. I've been cleaning all of the every single connector here, so you can see. So we have 1, 2 small ones on the transmission, 2, 3, 4 right there, hard to see, and then there's another one under here, 5. And then there's another one like right in the front of the transmission on the bottom. Here, let me show you. This wire is the one that goes down there. So there's the one in the front. So I'm looking at least 5 small ones, so you can see. I already took them out. I sprayed them. I want to make sure everything is clean as far as every connector. This were pretty dirty, so I already sprayed them here and here. So just got to get a lot of that dust out. And these are already clean, so let me put those back. Make sure that they click every time you put them back. So I got another one here. If I can get to it, make sure it goes in the right way. There we go. And don't break anything. Got that. So let's put this one back. So it's a little hard to get out, but it came out. So I just laid them dry before I put them back. Okay, that one's done. Let's get this other one in. It's nice. Nah, this one's still drying a little bit, so we'll let it dry a little more. And then I gotta get the one down there. I haven't done that yet. And the one in the front from this wire here. So quite a lot of them. TCM was pretty dirty as well, so I already sprayed it on here and in the back because I want to make sure everything here